Hello friends, welcome back to another video of the Tableau tutorials. So in this video we will discuss about the different fields present in the Tableau. Hope you are able to see my screen. Okay, so here we have the dimension field and the measure field. Okay, if I hand over the dimension, you can see the dark blue color field is showing me, and in the measures it is showing me a green color pill. It is simply describing me a continuous and discrete data type. In the dimension we have a discrete data type. Discrete means which is separated individually. It could be quantitative values or any categorical values such as segment, region, or any date values. Okay, so that kind of data type falls under the dimension. Okay, similarly in the measure we will get numeric and quantitative values which can be measured or aggregated. Okay, by default Tableau applies an aggregation to the measures. Okay, so whenever we use measures we will get aggregated number. Okay, so let's try to do some validation over here. So let's, if I drag profit into the column, so you will see we are, by default Tableau is showing us sum of profit, and in the visualization area we are getting a single horizontal bar chart with the label of profit, and we are getting the net profit is $286,000 with the sign of dollar. Okay, so the color of this pill is green because it is a measure. Similarly, if I drag any dimension into the row, uh, let's say I drag a segment over here. So here Tableau is not performing any aggregation on segment because segment is a dimension, it is a categorical column or categorical field. But in the visualization, the sum of profit is divided among the segments, the different segments. So here for home office, corporate, and consumer, three segments are created, and profit is showing for all three segments. Like for home and office, $60,000, for corporate $91,000, and for consumer $134,000. This is how Tableau is auto creates the basic visualization. Further, based on the requirement, we can manipulate it, we can add more calculations in this and create a required visualization. Okay, so it was about dimension and measure. On the left side you can see show me panel. If I click on the show me, I will see there are different options available for the different charts. Based on the minimum requirement, the charts are populating over here. So if I click on the first chart, is a tabular form, you will see I get a tabular data with all consumer, corporate, and office. There is no bar chart. If I click on the heat map, then it is now showing me a profit in terms of small squares, small blocks, and size of the block is showing me the volume of top profit. Okay, the size is small, that means it is a lower profit compared to corporate and consumer having the big square, that means it is a big profit. So heat map works like that. Similarly, all chart will work if I click on heat. or tree map. So here you can see again the chart converted into blocks of consumer, corporate, and home office depending upon the size of profit. The size of blocks has been created automatically. So this is how we create a basic visualization. Okay, now I will share some example to create a basic bar chart and the line chart. So let me clean the screen here first. Let's say I want to see a quantity, total quantity, and sales for the respective quantity. If you see here, calculation is happening on the both aggregation, sum of quantity and the sum of sale. That's why it is showing us a single dot into the visualization, but we don't want sum of quantity. Okay, as we want to see the sales across different quantities, so I will simply convert this quantity into the attribute. Not attribute, I will simply convert this quantity into the dimension, and in the marks card we have automatically area chart, but we will change this to line chart. Okay, so for one quantity how much is the total sale, for the two quantity how much is the total sale respectively. We are seeing the sales figure across different quantities. Okay, similarly we can create a bar chart like this. So bar chart will show the same information, but it is a different chart. For each quantity there will be a separate pole, and we can simply see the sales for the particular quantity. Hope you got this. Now in both of this example, cell field is said to be continuous. It creates a vertical axis because continuous, and it's been added to row, so that is why it is creates the axis. If it was on the column shelf, it would create the horizontal axis. Let's say we simply exchange the row and column. Now we are getting the cells horizontal bars because it is on column side. Now hope you got this. Okay, now let's see the dimension field in the view. So uh, let me go to next worksheet and drag the category so that it will be more easy to understand. If I put category into the rows or columns, you'll see three categories are created. One is furniture, second is the office supply, and the third one is the technology. Now I can simply use profit or sale to see the respective numbers like this. I can see total profit for furniture, total profit for the office, and total for technology. I can simply create the bar chart as well to see in terms of bar chart, or if I click on the pie chart I can quickly see the pie chart also for the respective selection. Okay, in many cases these fields from the dimension area will initially be discrete. When you add them to view, the blue background, date dimension, numeric dimension can be discrete or continuous. Okay, so after dragging you will see the exact color based on the by default nature of the Tableau. So that's it for the day. Hope you like this video, and do let me know your thoughts on this. Till then I will see you in the next Tableau tutorial. Happy learning, take care, bye bye.